Japan shoes. Men's are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and pad up a list of the best Japan shoes from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. The Japan shoes are based on one of our throwback offerings from 1981. This reworked iteration is formed with a low-top silhouette that's complete with a cord-inspired toe box and throwback colorway, updated with a lightweight design that features a modified cup sole. This shoe is enhanced with excellent comfort and long-lasting cushioning, mimicking the aesthetic of a retro basketball sneaker. This heritage style is also paired with nostalgic ASICS branding, like the tiger stripes on the quarter panels and ASICS lettering at the heel. The Japan shoe's vintage basketball aesthetic is complemented with iconic court-specific details that are inspired by footwear worn on the hardwood by basketball players in the 80s. We believe that adventure begins when things go sideways. So we developed a shoe that would not only stand up to the journey, but keep you comfortable in the most uncomfortable of situations. Armed with a co-molded Ultra Cush midsole, updated rapid weld detailing, a lightweight, die-cut rubber outsole, and a breathable old-school-inspired upper, this is the Ultra Range Evolved. The Ultra Range EXO is made with elevated textile and synthetic uppers. Full support, EXO skeleton provides built-in support across the toes and medial sidewall, with a heel lock for a secure fit. Ultra Cush for comfort. The co-molded Ultra Cush light midsole increases comfort, not weight. All-terrain grip. Full rubber-wrapped reverse waffle lug outsoles improve traction and flexibility. Increased breathability. An Ultra Cush tongue with breathability ports offers superior airflow. Thank
you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.